stay up on my manscaping, but no one cuts my hairs anymore.
Have you had a meal today, Brad? You seem a little low on the blood sugar. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
Yeah, your boy look freaking sexy today, boy. Check your boy out.
You look great. You look full of life. You look pregnant.
Yeah, hey, I have fans too, you know.
No, you have different offices. You have.
You can't have a beer at the prom, and you can't.
Well, if you want to put yourself in that part, I don't think so. For a guy that's...
I think I have to look closer at it.
In your exact words, as you kind of edged your way and you went, now this picture's really going to be worth some money.
And you know what? Oh yeah, man. Yeah, you do kung fu, don't you? That's how long you been.
And see, I got a massive aquarium. And I like to just get lost in them.
Catering card. Remember?
Yeah. Well, you got.
Have you ever?
Extrasensory perception.
Here I go.
I got into composing and arranging and
You ready to...